Now let's try the same image in a different season. I can go back to the image. Maybe I would duplicate it. How about I rename it as south to north winter. Under more location, that's where you can change the season. February. It's already dark and cold. Maybe I should move it. Well, let's see how this picture works with some of the sun over there. Okay. I'm gonna go to the location. No, weather. And I'm gonna change the season in here. Notice that when it's winter, the leaves of the trees automatically actually fall, and it's gonna be covered with the snow. Okay, this seems about right. Okay, we can go back here, change the lighting. I want to see if it's too light, or yeah, maybe that's okay. Okay, I can go back here. You can select both. That's a good thing about Twinmotion. If you set like 10 views or something, you can select all 10 of them, and the rendering is so fast here. So that one, and export. This is how the render looks like. You can compare it with this one.